Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Legend Essential 2. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Legend Essential 2 men's training shoes, and this pair is in the UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in the black, iron grey, photo blue, light smoke grey colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the paper wrapper to reveal the Nike Legend Essential 2 training shoes. And let's lift out the right side and set it down on the tabletop. And of course pop out the other side, which is the left shoe. And focus on the left shoe first. So just setting the box to the side and giving you an all-round look by doing a 360 rotation of this Nike Legend Essential 2 training shoe. And this one is, as I mentioned earlier, in a UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and this is the black, iron grey, photo blue, light smoke grey colorway. So taking a closer up look, top down, and around the details of the shoe. So you can see that it does have a very high contrast colorway and design with very bold patterns across the different panels and layers of the shoe. And this is evident on the outsole as well, or bottom of the shoe, with that black, white and iron grey colorway. And let's take a much closer up look at the shoe. So you can see that it does have a honeycomb type mesh upper cover, and just pressing down on it and rubbing my finger along the very smooth and finely textured upper cover of this training shoe. And we can see that it does have extra layers for abrasion resistance across the high wear areas, of course. And we can see that the Nike swoosh is partially tucked in the midfoot support midsole. And moving towards the back, we can see that there is an interesting detail with the red cross stitching across part of that Nike swoosh, separating the grey and blue colors. And taking a look at the back to give you some idea of the shape and structure of this training shoe. And on the inner side, you can see once again that Nike swoosh does continue to the inner side of the shoe. And we can see that it does have a strap design with the top two eyelets or eye stays for the laces, for a lockdown around the back heel and top of the foot area. And we can see that very soft honeycomb mesh layer once again, and the high abrasion panels or layer that covers and overlaps that mesh. So giving you a look at how the light plays along its surface. And let's take a close-up look from the front to the back of the shoe. So we can see that The toe tip does extend upwards, and as we move towards the midfoot area with the laces, and there is a vertical Nike text with the Nike swoosh on it in red. And taking a look at that tongue, it is quite nicely padded, as you can see, and quite fluffy as well. And taking a look at the inside details of the shoe, and of course popping out the stuffing that's inside, so we have a much clearer look inside this Nike Legend Essential 2. And feeling the ankle collar padding and the heel padding as well. The heel does have a substantial amount of padding around the back, and it does have a very high clip for, of course, stability and lockdown. And taking a look at the sole or bottom of the shoe, you can see that it does have a grooved design around the forefoot for traction and, of course, mobility. And in terms of the pattern and grip of the parts of the outsole, it does have a grippy and firm tread design, and giving you a closer up look, and of course those deep grooves to give it that added mobility, flexibility and traction. And towards the midfoot, does have a foam type section. As you can see, my fingers pressing down on its surface, it is quite firm but does have a bit of give. And towards the rear, we see that diamond-like, or beg your pardon, triangle-like geometric tread pattern with a much larger shape towards the heel area, and it does have that grippy rubber texture to it. So right there, giving you a look at the various aspects of this Nike Legend Essential 2. And now let's do a flex and bend test to give you some idea of the pliability, firmness or softness of the shoe. So doing it with my hands to give you an idea. So right there with the very pliable sole, providing plenty of mobility, and of course with its wide design providing stability as well, and with that integrated back heel strap that ties in with the top two lace holes, providing that extra security. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So just setting the left shoe back down and towards the back of the frame so we can focus on this left shoe without interruption. So let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full clear view of this shoe. And now let's take a close-up look at its details. So once again, we see that honeycomb mesh upper layer or cover. And the various textures and patterns across the shoe's design. And now let's take a look at the pair together. So both the left shoe and the right shoe. And from the front to the back. And at the bottoms as well. So that's the Nike Legend Essential 2. Thanks for watching and happy training!